This is 3618 8th Street in North Beach, Maryland. And this one has these beautiful open living spaces. So let me just show you. Like the amount of sunlight. I love it. The open concept. Definitely one of my favorites. Terry told me that I had to go slower when I was doing these pans. So consider this my gift to you. All right, so new bathroom finishes and beautiful hardwood floors. It's a nice updated bathroom. And then we've got these lovely bathroom finishes. Got bedroom number 1. Let's check out the closet space. Not bad, not bad. This isn't the master bed. It really is bright and airy. I love that. It smells good in here. Got a little towel / linen closet. This is a little bigger. This could be a master. It's got its bathroom attached. Cause I'm taking my time, I'm not moving on. Terry told me that I gotta take long on my panning. She don't want it too fast. I guess it kinda makes her mad. Yeah! Alright, shut up, Claire. And then we have our third bedroom. So I believe that was the master. This is a cute little house. Well, I say little. It's not that little. But it gives this like cozy beach feeling. Definitely fits the beach vibe of the town. So North Beach, Maryland is a beach town. If you haven't been there, it's very cute. Kind of a hidden gem in Maryland, I think. And it looks like, if you open this, so if you have pets or anything, there's a bar here. If you open this door, but you can still benefit from some airflow without worrying that your crazy dog is going to take a header off of the second floor. So we'll come on down. I love these floors. It just feels very fresh in here. I don't know how else to describe it. You can tell I don't walk in heels often. Alright. Here you have the lower part of the split level. We've got more bedrooms and a whole other living space. Got our laundry area through here. Sorry, I'm not as talkative. I was sick earlier this week, so I lost my voice, and it hasn't quite come back yet. Hey! But I am alive. I'm alive! I feel great now. It's really just my voice. Whoa, these are spacious bedrooms down here. I guess they're about the same size, but it's got that nice cool feeling of a basement. Very airy. Got another closet. So all the closets seem about a similar size. And we've got our backyard, which we will check out momentarily. Oh, I thought this would... Just kidding. Haha! Yes. So the backyard does wrap around this way. And you've got this super cute porch, dining area. So we'll take a quick walk into the other bedroom. And then you can see through here the backyard. So we'll go check that out right now. That is a nice fenced in backyard. If you have a little doggy or a like medium-sized doggy with a lot of personality and energy, then you know how valuable a good backyard is. You can get through this way, it looks like. Ah! Oh yeah, this is nice. Just walk right out here. Your handy dandy porch. Yeah. Got this really nice fenced in back area. So I like that they have kind of a cute fence up front, but for the big dogs, they've got the big fence. The privacy fences are very nice if you have puppers, because I don't know about anybody else's dog, but mine is a little reactive with other dogs, so I find it really nice to live places with this kind of a fence. And then that's the other side. So you could do anything really. You could do a garden. You here if you wanted. Very cute. We'll be here today from 12 to 2. If you are in the area and you want to stop by, see the place. Or if you are interested but you cannot make it today, DM me and I would be happy to bring you and show you around. All right, thanks for coming. Have a great day. And oh my gosh, pause. Stop the presses. Here we go. We have another closet. So all in all, a very cute house indeed.